hope you all are fit and fine, and you know that we have completed our chapter number 7, that is pronouns, right? Today I am going to explain you chapter number 8, that is articles. Now what is articles? See students, a and the are called articles, and a and n are called indefinite articles, and the is called definite articles, right? And we will learn where to use a or n and where to use the. Now students, open page number 40 of your textbook. A and the are articles. They are used with nouns. They are used to point out things, people, animal and places. Articles are used before noun and they are used to point out, right, things, person and places. For example, the bicycle that my dad gave me is red in color, and he gave me a book to read. Now students, there are two types of articles, indefinite and definite article. Now what is indefinite articles? A and n are indefinite articles because they do not point out any particular person or thing. A and n are called indefinite articles because they do not point out any particular person or thing. They also suggest any person or anything. Do not point out any particular person or thing, and they suggest any person or anything. For example, give me an apple to eat. Now here the speaker wants any apple. Now when we use a is used before a singular countable noun that begins with a consonant sound. When we use a is used before a singular noun, but and it should be countable noun, right? And the sound of that is, it should be of consonant. A man, a baby, a European, a university. See here, there are 26 letters. Out of that, 21 are consonants and 5 are vowels. See students, whenever you use a or n, at that time we have to see the sound of the letter, right? See here, European, spelling is E-U-R-O-P-A-N, but the sound of that E is ya, so we have to write a European. Same here for university. University, this sound is of ya, so we have to write a university. And is used before a singular countable noun which begins with a vowel sound. And is used before a singular countable noun, but the sound should be of vowel. For example, an apple, an American, an hour, an MP. See, R here started with H-O-U-R, but the sound is of vowel, so we have to write M. MP. Am, here the sound is also a vowel, so we have to write N. Now uses of A and N. A and N are used to indicate one person or thing. May be used for any person or thing. It is used for one person or thing, and it is used for any person or thing, not the specific person or thing. A puppy came running towards me, means here a single puppy came running, right? Second one, to show a kind, a class or species. For example, I have a bonsai tree. Here bonsai refers to species of trees, right? To show a certain quantity, when we use a or n, to show certain quantity. There are a dozen oranges, and even when we show the quantity, a liter, a meter, at that time we use a. To show profession, rank, caste or religion of a person, means here to show the rank, means kaun si post par hai wo, right? Profession and even religion also. He is a teacher. My father is a doctor, right? He is a captain, right? And he is a Christian. He is Hindu. In this way, before that, we have to write a. Now, students, for exercise A, fill in the blanks with the correct article. First one, Lucy Gray was dash little girl. So, here A and N are given. We have to find out the correct one is A. Second one, it will take us dash R to reach Jaipur. See, R, the pronunciation is a vowel, so we have to write N. Third one, he considered himself dash alien in the television industry. Alien, it's a vowel sound, so we have to write N. She wants to study in dash university in Delhi. See, university, it is started with vowel, but the sound is of consonant, so we have to write A. Fifth one, my aim is to become dash engineer. Engineer, it's a vowel sound, so we have to write N. Sixth one, though dash European by birth, Jai always considers himself Indian. European voice is a consonant, so we have to write A. Seventh one, our principal is dash honorable person. Honorable, the sound is a vowel, so we have to write N. Eighth one, Shane Watson is dash Australian cricketer. So it is an Australian cricketer. Ninth one, you had a dash lot of time to complete the exercise. A lot of time. And the last one, give me dash 1 rupee coin. See here the spelling of one is O-N-E, but the sound is of consonant, so we have to write A. Now we will learn definite article the. The is the definite article which indicates particular object, thing or person. The is used before particular specific person or thing. The book that you gave me was interesting. Means here it is said about the book which you me specifically is particularly about that book which you gave me. So we have to write the. Now when we use the, uses of the is used before the noun when we want to particularize it. Means when before the particular noun, specific noun, before that we use the. Right, before the superlative degree. In adjectives we use superlative degrees. Before that we have to use the, right? And before the names of any rivers, mountains, seas, oceans, names of any newspaper, names of any magazine, names of any train, aeroplane, ship, right? We write the. Before that we write the. Before the unique things, sun, moon, star, we write the before that. And before the names of direction, east, west, north, south, we use the. Right? And before the well-known buildings also, we write the. Right? And the is used before a common noun when common noun represents the whole class. Whenever some common noun is used and that common noun represents the whole class, before that we write the. For example, the tiger belongs to the cat family. See here tiger and cat are common noun. But here tiger and cat are used to represent the whole tiger family. And cat is used to refer whole cat family. So the is used. Right? And see students, if the name of any country is given and in that some common noun is given, before that we use the. For example, United States of America, United Kingdom. See here states and kingdom are common noun. So whenever in any name of any country the state is given, common noun is given, before that we use the. Right? And for whole families we use the. For example, if we say Mr. Shah is our neighbor, here you are talking about Mr. Shah, right? But if you talk about the whole family of Mr. Shah, then what you will say? Shahs are very good by nature, right? Now here exercise B, insert definite article the wherever necessary. I bought a cycle for you. Cycle is red in color. So in the second sentence, it is specifically said about this cycle, right? You bought. For that we have to write, I bought a cycle for you. The cycle is red in color. Second one, Times of India is an Indian newspaper. See, Times of India, it's a name of one newspaper. So before that we have to write the. Next is Homer Iliad is a well-known epic poem. So it's Iliad is a well-known epic poem. Fourth one, Taj Mahal is in Uttar Pradesh. So we have to write the Taj Mahal is in Uttar Pradesh. Deer is a timid creature. So the deer is a timid creature. Sixth one, I am currently reading 9th chapter of the book. So answer is, I am currently reading the 9th chapter of the book. Seventh one, giraffe is tallest creature on earth. The giraffe is the tallest creature on the earth. Eighth one, I returned your book that you gave me last week. I returned your book that you gave me the last week. Now next is omission of articles, where we are not supposed to use any articles before proper noun. When name of any person is given, proper noun is given, we should not write any article. Sachin Tendulkar is a cricketer. Mumbai is in Maharashtra. So you see here Sachin Tendulkar and Mumbai are names of some person and place. So it is a proper noun. So we are not supposed to write any article. Before abstract nouns, honesty, right? Beauty, before abstract noun we are not supposed to write any article. And before any material noun we are not supposed to use any article, because material noun and abstract nouns are uncountable nouns, and you know that articles are used before the countable nouns. But if it is specifically said about material, some specific material it is said, at that time we use article the. Here exercise C, take the correct form. Here both the sides, A and B, both the sides sentences are given, but you have to take the correct one. First one, the correct answer is Himalayas are covered with snow. Second, Mahi was the best player of the tournament. Third, he is the Shah Rukh Khan of Hollywood. Fourth one, the water in the tank is very hot. See here, specifically said about that water which is in the tank. So the is used. Fifth one, Asia is the largest continent. Sixth one, I have a new friend called Shyam. I have a new friend called Shyam. Seventh one, the beauty of Cleopatra is well known. See, beauty is abstract noun. Before that we should not use any article. But here beauty of specially is said about beauty of Cleopatra. So we have to use article the. And the last one, the platinum is a rare material. Now last exercise D, here you have to take the correct options. First one, Ramayana is a sacred book of Hindus. See here, Ramayana, it's a name of one holy book. So before that we have to write the Ramayana, the Hindus. Second one, Taj Mahal was built by dash Shah Jahan. See, Taj Mahal, it's a famous monument. So before that we have to write the, and Shah Jahan is a proper noun, so we should not use any article. Dash Rajdhani Express connects many cities. So Rajdhani Express, it's a name of train. So before that we have to use the, right? And cities here, plural is given. So we should not use any article. Fourth one, apple should be eaten every morning with breakfast. So here an apple and breakfast. So see students, whenever any meal is given, for example lunch, dinner, breakfast, supper, we should not use any article before it. And the last one, Sherlock Holmes had a visitor who was stranger to him, right? So students, our chapter 8 is completed. Hope you understand.
आभार।